Everyone wants to be slim and smart, but you know that it is easier to gain weight than to lose it. In reality, everyone loves to eat food. They want to eat tasty food, but at the same time, they also want to look younger and smart. So today, I am going to tell you some important tips that will really help you in losing body fat fast and makes you young and smart. So, the top 10 useful tips for weight loss are. So, first, you have to set your mind that you will have to lose your weight, and you should believe that you can do it to face the world with your new look. The second tip is don't skip your meal, because skipping of meal leads to starvation, and then there is insulin level disturbance occur in your body, which will cause diabetes due to imbalance of insulin level in your body, and it will also cause weight gain. So never skip your meal, especially breakfast, because when you wake up there is about 10 to 12 hours gap of food intake. Your body will consume all the breakfast and it will not cause obesity. Tip number 3 is always walk with an empty stomach. In my opinion, it is one of the best tips which I am sharing with you. Always walk and exercise in the fasting state. Means before breakfast, as researchers show that it will burn more fat from your body. And I am recommending you to walk at least 30 to 40 minutes in morning. Tip number 4 is always eat homemade food, because you don't know about the making procedure of that food and the quality of that food. You can take grilled fish, red meat or chicken piece in your lunch or dinner time with one bowl of fresh salad, and always eat breakfast as a king, like boiled egg, slice of bread, some nuts like almond, walnut, pistachio with glass full of milk. This will increase your immunity as well. Tip number 5 is properly chew your food. As you know, with chewing, our mouth releases saliva enzyme, which will mix with our food and make it easily digestible. So always chew food about 32 times before swallowing. Eat slowly will help you to reduce calorie intake and lose your weight. Several studies reveal that people with weight problems tend to chew their food less than people with normal weight do. Another tip is increase your water intake. Researchers found that increased water intake will stimulate metabolism of your body. It will naturally suppress our feel of hunger. Our body is about 90% made up of water. So we must drink about 8 to 16 glass of water in a day. This will really help us to reduce our overall liquid calorie intake. By doing this, we will lose about 1 kg in a day. Use of multivitamins is very beneficial. When you are in a diet phase, your body will become weak. So it is recommended to add some multivitamin supplements in your diet, which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins and minerals. By using them, there will be no effect on your face and you will feel fresh and beautiful. Never and ever use fizzy drinks. They are very harmful for your health, as they are rich source of carbohydrates. As you know, in one glass of these drinks, there are about 7 to 8 teaspoons of sugar. You can take natural carbohydrates, which are present in rice and wheat, but in small quantity. Drinking herbal tea are very beneficial. hot herbal tea will increase your body metabolism and it will help you to lose body fat fast. You can take 1 cup of herbal tea in night before sleeping. Use of fresh fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are high in fiber, antioxidants and various vitamins and minerals which our body really need. So, always make right choices for your health. You should lose your weight by following these useful tips. Trust in yourself and live healthy life. Best of luck. Nature wants our love and respect. And don't forget to love yourself. Thanks for watching Miracle Herbs. Don't forget to subscribe it.